Have you ever been stuck with questions like, what should I do when I'm exhausted? How do I handle failure after failure? You're not alone. And today we're going to tackle these questions together, because quitting doesn't end the struggle. It only ends your chance to rise stronger. Welcome back to Evolve Your Motivation. Instead of just giving you tips, today I want to walk with you through the real questions we all face when life feels overwhelming. Together, we'll uncover the mindsets and actions that will keep you moving forward when giving up feels easier. Question 1. What should I do when I feel exhausted and ready to quit? The answer is to learn the difference between resting and quitting. Resting is a pause to recharge. Quitting is an ending. Take the pause you need, breathe, regain your energy. But don't throw away the dream you've been building. Question 2. How do I deal with constant failure? Failure isn't proof that you're not good enough. It's feedback that guides your growth. Every fall is a chance to ask, what can I learn? How can I adjust? When you see failure as feedback, it stops being the enemy and becomes your teacher. Question 3. What if people around me don't believe in me? Then seek out those who do. People's doubts reflect their own limitations, not yours. Surround yourself with those who encourage your vision, because belief is contagious, and the right voices will fuel your strength. Question 4. How do I stay motivated when results come too slowly? Focus on the small wins. Every step forward matters. Success isn't born overnight. It's built, brick by brick, step by step. Celebrate each little progress, and it will carry you through the long journey. Question 5. How can I rebuild confidence after a painful failure? Confidence isn't something you wait for. It's something you create through action. Start with small promises to yourself. Keep them. Each kept promise builds trust in yourself, and soon that trust grows into unshakable confidence. Question 6. What's the single most important mindset to never give up? It's this: failure is temporary, quitting is forever. As long as you keep going, your story is still alive. The only way to lose completely is to stop trying. So the next time life throws these questions at you, remember, rest instead of quitting. Learn from every setback. Surround yourself with belief. Celebrate small wins. Rebuild confidence through action. And hold on to the truth that failure is never final. If this message spoke to you, hit subscribe and stay with us at Evolve Your Motivation. Together, we'll keep rising, no matter what.